For the fifth time, the VMA Technica trade show was held from the 22nd to 23rd of October in Nuremberg. Once again, the wholesalers Kubelbeck, Knoll, and Lorch presented this year's fair. Under the umbrella Medium-Sized Automotive Parts Wholesalers Alliance, they presented an attractive trade show, including a host of events and entertainment dedicated to motor vehicle and auto service center equipment. In an exhibition space of 160,000 square feet, approximately 15,000 visitors were afforded the opportunity to view and test the newest innovations being presented by over 200 exhibitors. Especially popular among the attendees were the prizes being offered during the trade show. Under the motto "Setting the Trend," everything you need for the Auto Service Center, companies such as Liqui-Moly, SKF, Bosch, Motul, and BASF, to name just a few, presented their products in the areas of lubricants, wear and tear, service center supplies and accessories. Blinking metal tools, lifting platforms, and heavy machinery dominated the landscape of the show. In addition, small shows, raffles, and games were in full swing at just about every booth. Interest was especially great at the live demonstrations in the live repair shop. Here, various work processes were being demonstrated on an hourly basis. Intense shop talk was provided by some 1,200 representatives standing by to provide repair shop owners with advice and information. Booths dedicated to system partnerships, training, and IT organization were also well attended. In addition, repair shop owners and mechanics were afforded the opportunity to gather information from the wholesalers regarding their comprehensive service programs. In the business forum, information was available regarding increasing profitability and workflow management. Particularly noticeable were the many families that were in attendance due to the many attractions on offer. In the neighboring hall, for example, in addition to a wide range of food and drink, there was also a special children's section. Here, the little ones could rejuvenate from the tiring march through the exhibition halls and play at the game consoles, kick-wall, or racetrack. The autograph signing by soccer great Oliver Kahn or the trade show event with comedian Atze Schroeder was also very popular. Due to a greater awareness and popularity of the trade show, visitor and exhibitor numbers have increased. Thus, the Auto Service Center sector can confidently look forward to the next VMA Technica in 2 years.